Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Money Excel. Today we are going to see which one is best, Google Pay or Paytm. Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe are trusted and most popular payment apps across India. People are using these apps for transferring money and doing daily transactions like mobile recharge, grocery purchase and bill payments. There are dozens of payment apps available in the Indian market. Out of all, Google Pay, Paytm and PhonePe are leading the race. I am a regular user of Google Pay and Paytm for making payments, so thought to share about them with you people. I have rarely used other apps for doing transactions. In this video, I will be sharing my personal experience with Google Pay, Paytm apps. I will also share key features and compare them. The purpose is to help you in deciding which payment app is the best for doing daily transactions, Google Pay or Paytm. Let us understand first of all what is mobile payment app. Okay, mobile payment app means mobile wallet. Payment apps allows you to link your bank accounts or credit cards with a mobile app. You can make payment directly from the app without the need for your credit card, debit card or other checks. You can make use of a mobile app for money transfer, payment, mobile recharge, DTH recharge, shopping, etc. You can also save money in the mobile wallet up to a certain limit. First of all, let us understand Google Pay. Google Pay, which is also known as GPay or Tez, is a mobile wallet and online payment system by Google. You can send money to friends, pay bills, recharge phone and do lot more using Google Pay. In short, Google Pay converts your mobile to personal banking system. You can transfer money as well as make bill payments with a click of a button. So it's very easy to use Google Pay. Let us see the key features of Google Pay. First feature is pay to anyone. You can pay money to anyone. You just need UPI ID or bank details of a person receiving money. The money can be transferred to UPI ID. It is not mandatory to have Google Pay app for receiver. So whoever wants to transfer money without worrying about receiver's account, simply transfer the money. Bill payment. You can make utility bill payment like gas bill, energy bill, mobile bill, DTH using this app. You just need to link your biller once with this app. Here you do not require KYC. This app works with your existing bank account. It means you need not to worry about additional KYC process. Another feature of Google Pay is Get Rewards. This app is famous for cashback and rewards. You will get e-scratch card one making transaction using this app. The reward will directly get credited to your bank account. Apart from this, it is more secure. Every transaction is secured via UPI PIN. You can lock your device using fingerprint or face lock. This app also provides protection from fraud detection and hacking. A key feature of this Google Pay is multi-language support. This app supports major Indian languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil and Telugu. And due to this multi-language support, it gives better user experience to the end user. Nearby store feature is also available. You can search nearby store using this app. So this app also provides the information about business hours, nearby grocery store, availability of essential goods, etc. So all these features are available with Google Pay. Now we are going to understand Paytm. Paytm is mobile wallet cum payments bank. You can scan QR code and make payments within seconds using this app. You can use bank account link with your mobile number in this app. Paytm mobile app is widely used for money transfer, bill payments, mobile recharge, shopping, etc. So you can think that which one should be used by us. The key features of Paytm are money transfer, bill payment, KYC, rewards and multi-language supports. Let us understand all the features one by one. Money transfer. You can do money transfer from wallet to wallet or from your bank account to any other bank account without any charge. You just need UPI ID for making payment. Bill payment. Paytm app can be used for bill payment, online recharge, water bill, gas bill and electricity bills. You can get various offers and assured cashback while making payment using Paytm. KYC. KYC is mandatory for transferring money from one account to another. KYC is mandatory for using Paytm. It is one-time process where you need to show your Aadhaar and other identity proofs. Rewards. Paytm is famous for providing rewards. You will get cashback as reward in this app. It is provided at the time of bill payment or recharge. Additionally, you will also get deals and discount vouchers for using this app. It also supports multi-languages. Overall, 11 languages are supported in Paytm, including Hindi, Gujarati and Marathi. QR code. QR code generation and payment using QR code is one of the top features of Paytm. You can scan QR code and make payment just by entering amount. So it's easy to pay using Paytm. We have seen the features of both Google Pay and Paytm. Still we are confused that which one is best for us. So let us see the comparison. If we talk about KYC, in Google Pay KYC is not mandatory, but yes, in Paytm you require KYC. In Google Pay, scratch card and cashback feature is available. However, in Paytm, cashback for bill payment is not available. In both Google Pay and Paytm, zero banking charge and both supports QR code payment. In Google Pay, you cannot pay via bank account. However, in Paytm, you can pay via bank account and credit card. In Google Pay, transaction limit is 2 lakh. In Paytm, the transaction limit is 1 lakh for wallet and 1 lakh for bank account. So friends, these are the differences between Google Pay and Paytm. Depending upon your payment requirement, you can go with either Google Pay or Paytm. Here I am ending this topic. Thanks a lot for listening me. Bye bye.